What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 31,787. We're sitting at a market cap of 601 billion, 24-hour volume 32.8 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop over into Bitcoin. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So it does look like we're putting in a larger wave 4 correction. Now it could end here, but I do think we have a likelihood of pushing up to 33 to 34K. Now there are multiple Elliott wave corrections. You could be seeing this as an A, B, C, D, E, and then we failed to break down, and now we're simply putting in an A, B, C correction. Or you can see this as a WXY. If you're new to Elliott Wave, definitely recommend searching it up on YouTube. You'll find some great videos. So you may be putting in a WXY. And with the WXY, there's 3 waves within each wave. So you're looking for an ABC, just like this, ABC. And then your X wave, same thing, ABC. And the same thing for your Y wave. And we're putting in that A, B, C. And within your ABC, you're looking for that 5-wave structure. So as you can see right here, we have impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, impulsive wave 5. So we may be putting in that corrective wave B. That could bring us all the way down prior to the wave 4 low at about 30.3K. However, if we simply consolidate here and we continue to push up, that's when you can see that final C wave completing the Y leg. That could take you all the way up to about 33 to 34,000. I don't want to get too much into the different types of corrections here, as there are many, and corrections can lead into corrections. So you can have an A, B, C, D, E, and then followed by an A, B, C, followed by a W, X, Y. So it can be very confusing, but basically what you're looking for is the end of the wave 4. So I'm just going to remove these lines here. And usually your wave 4 falls in between. Let me quickly remove this fib. And we're just going to pop over to the 4-hour time frame. So if you take a measurement here from the wave 2 high all the way down to the bottom of wave 3, usually your wave 4 is going to land in between the 0.382 and the 0.5. Sometimes it will push up to the 0.618. The minimum target here is the 0.236, which we did already reach. You can see we came up to the 236. We were consolidating in a descending triangle. So that could have been your wave 4 correction over and done with, but we broke out here. So we have to look at a larger wave 4, and the 0.5 lines up with about 33.6K. You have the 0.618 coming in at 35.6. So if we are going to continue to push up here, I would expect you to get rejected in this purple box, roll over and see the continuation down for the final 5th wave in between 22 to 24K. I had a commenter yesterday who was like, come on, bro, how big is this 4th wave? How do I know if it's invalidated? You know if it's invalidated if your wave 4 pushes up and breaks the low of the wave 1. If the wave 4 pushes higher here than about 38K, breaks the wave 1, then this 5-wave structure is invalidated, and we may be looking at a smaller 5th wave. The bottom is in, and we're going to see continuation to the upside. Personally, I don't think it's the likely scenario. It is a possibility here, but I just want to show you guys something here on the daily. So I do think we're going through a massive exaggerated ABC correction, and usually your C leg is your longest wave down and breaks the wave A. So right now we're consolidating, we're holding the wave A, and I think we're just seeing a bit of a relief rally before seeing that longer wave C that brings us down to 22 to 24K. And of course it lines up with the 200-week moving average coming in at 22,000. This could be the bottom here at 30K. I mean, we did break a little bit lower than 30,000. We came all the way down. We wicked down to 25K. So this could be the bottom, right? Right now we're holding the 200-week EMA. As I've been mentioning, in each and every bear market, we've come down to the 200-week moving average. But our moves are not as impulsive as they were in previous bull markets where we had the bull off top. As you can see, we just kind of rolled over. So maybe we won't see as harsh a correction, and we are bottoming out here at 28 to 30K. Personally, I do think we're coming down to 22 in my opinion, but of course anything can happen. So we're just going to quickly zoom back into the 1 hour. Hope everybody's doing well and hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So on the 1 hour time frame, we've been looking at these bull flag patterns. we broke out, we met the target. This one broke out, a little bit of a fake out. We're just consolidating, and we have that 5-wave move. As you can see here, we made a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5. So this may be some sort of ABC correction before seeing continuation. Of course, we can come down lower. Usually when you have a 5-wave structure and you see an ABC correction, you come down prior to the wave 4 or find support along the wave 4. Doesn't mean that has to happen. We do have a hidden bullish divergence on the RSI and the money flow. As you can see here, here's your low, here's your higher low, while making a lower low on the RSI as well as the money flow. Hidden bullish divergence. I was in a short formatic, but I closed it for break even due to this hidden bullish divergence, just to play it safe. If we do break down, it's a-okay. I missed out on a trade, but I'll look for a better entry. So if we do see continuation, we've completed a 5-wave structure in my opinion, and we may be putting in that ABC to the upside where we come up ABC. So we would look for another 5-wave structure that would bring us up to that price target. A little something like this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, bringing us up in between about 33 to 34,000. If we were to get rejected here, we start to roll and we lose that wave 4, we come all the way back down, then we may be completing that larger wave 4, looking for that final wave 5 to the downside. But as of right now, it does look like we may be putting in a bit of an ABC, just going through that B wave correction. It can come all the way down prior to the wave 4, or it may land on this swing high, or since we have this hidden bullish divergence, we may hold these levels. New York trading hours are opening up here in about an hour, and then see that push up to 33 to 34K before rolling over, in my opinion, coming down to 22,000. All of it would be invalidated if we were to come up and break 38K, as this wave 4 correction would push up into the wave 1, which would invalidate the whole structure, and we'd be looking at a smaller wave 5, and this is the bottom, and we're going to see the continuation of the bull run. Personally, I do think we have one more leg down, but anything can happen. So big shout out to the Discord. Just updated some of the buy and take profit zones to dollar cost average into your positions. We have over 1,900 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, and of course my trade signals coming in at the $10 membership. If you want my exact entries, exits, take profits, you can sign up through the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.